Hello again, guys. It's Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. Thank you for tuning in. You first timers, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I want you guys to be sure that you get all the information that I'm providing on my channel. And the only way to do that is to click that subscribe button. So today, short and sweet. I just want to let you guys know I've been in business about 12 years, going on 13, I believe. And I've done this convertible top repair over 300 times. Do you know I have worked on some cars that should be in a museum? Oh yeah, absolutely. I'm talking about guys who, for every drop of oil that leaks on the inside of their car, are right behind me wiping it up. And it's because they are so protective of their cars. And I get that. But do you know that in 12 years, almost 13, and over 300 repairs under my belt, I haven't had one what I call oopsie. No oopsies here, ladies and gentlemen. I haven't had one dropped tool that scratched paint. I haven't opened a door and hit another car next to a vehicle. I haven't opened the car door and hit a box, a stairwell, a cabinet, nothing. In 12, almost 13 years and over 300 repairs, not one oopsie. Now, if that's not reason enough for you to pick up the phone, if you're considering someone to fix the convertible top on your Jaguar, whether it's the hoses or the cylinders, I don't know what would make you call. But anyway, my pricing is fair. I do everything in a reasonable amount of time. I do everything in the same day, and I haven't had one oopsie. So pick up that phone. Give me a call right now. My phone number is 888-317-9340. Also, I am doing a challenge. That challenge basically means this. If I get to your home and I can't complete your repair from start to finish within 5 hours, I give you 10% off of the final repair price, guaranteed. And I also guarantee that you get the lowest price that I can give you. Show me any offer, I will beat that price, I guarantee it. Pick up the phone, give me a call now, 888-317-9340. Thank you.